Yes, today we are going to talk about AI. And as we know, AI is changing YouTube faster than ever. From writing scripts, editing videos, even creating thumbnails. AI is giving us creators a lot of advantage. But here comes a question. How can we use this AI in YouTube Studio to grow our channels very fast? How? Yes, we can use AI for generating title and at the same time description. Inside YouTube Studio, AI brainstorms you to generate a very catchy title and a CEO friendly description. Yes, instead of wasting time, a lot of time, you can just go to your Google app and download this app that is called Chat GPT. It generates for you multiple uh, title and descriptions that you can really select one that is catchy for your content. As we know, AI thumbnail is the second. And you have to know that thumbnail is what really determines your viewers to scroll or to stay and click on your video. So this thing that is called AI thumbnail is here. There are a lot of AI tools that can generate proper uh, thumbnails for you. We have one, ChatGPT, two, Canvas, three, we have Adobe Firefly or Photo. All of these AI tools I've mentioned can generate for you instantly and create beautiful thumbnails that is very catchy and together with YouTube Studio Analytics, and it actually it determines which one is very catchy for you. So you have to know how to use AI. Yes, number three, AI for editing. Of course, yes, editing is one of the consuming part in content creating. Now, what you have to know is uh, there is an AI tool that is very good at editing. One is called Descript, and two is CapCut AI. This can script for you, do for you everything you want to do on editing. Then at the same time, even YouTube AI or YouTube has designed an AI that can translate your language to different languages. Automated, it's just automatic. And if you want to know more about this YouTube automated language or AI kind of thing, please stay tuned in this channel. AI for analytic. Do you know that YouTube Studio AI Analytics is one of the AI tools that really makes you to understand your audience very, very well. It makes you understand when your audience are on, when your audience are off, and what type of content do your audience like, what type of shots do your audience like, what type of videos makes your audience stay long. Do you know that? So AI is everything in digital family. Oh, future AI in YouTube Studio. Do you know that YouTube is testing a lot of AIs in its system? Things like automatic dubbing, changing your language into actually other international language, like most particularly changing the English language to other international languages. So which means in future, AI in YouTube is going to make life more easier. No sweat, no nothing. just very soft. That is power of AI. Wow. So if you're really serious about AI, so you have to wake up right now and begin using YouTube Studio AIs and general AIs so that you grow up your channel very fast, organically, and without problem, easily. And for the case of this program or this channel, please, you make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and don't forget to click on the notification button. Love you so much. This is Infotech. Of course.